Another multifunctional accessory to save space and bring order to your belongings. Standing at 63 in, this lamp boasts 3 shelves for personal touches. Quick assembly in 10 minutes reveals 2 USB ports and a socket for convenience. The power-saving LED light promises 20,000 hours of warm, inviting illumination. Do you have kids, pets, or are you simply allergic to debris? The AOE Air Purifier is equipped with a potent HEPA filter that effortlessly filters out particles like smoke, pollen, dander, and hair. Promoting optimal air quality and well-being with dual channels and 360 degrees air inlets, this purifier achieves a swift circulation rate, refreshing rooms up to 215 square feet, and guess what? It's still quiet, reaching a mere 22 dB in sleep mode. In case you want to infuse some delightful scents, there's an aroma pad with a considerate 2,000-hour cartridge replacement reminder. This purifier ensures sustained health and safety. Thought of some unusual lighting in your room? Want to immerse yourself in the midst of hypnotic ocean waves and surreal northern lights? This Kinetic installation, with a rotating glass cylinder, flings light flares around like a disco ball. There are several sizes to choose from, so if you're going to throw a party or transform your bedroom into a romantic wonderland, the biggest 32-foot cylinder will suit you best. With 16 colors at your fingertips, you can control the atmosphere. Just plug it in, turn it on, and let the magic unfold. Where are my keys? Where are my glasses? Oh my, where's the spatula? This wall con will help you bring some order to your house. Whether that's a hall, a bathroom, a kitchen, or your room, there are 5 hooks to hang keys, bags, clothes, and so on. In addition, there are a couple of USB ports for your electronic devices. By the way, you can put them on the shelf above, comfy. Lastly, emitting a cozy 300K warm ambient light, it ensures comfort and functionality. That's the most accurate cosplay of a shrimp, I must admit, yet your back won't thank you for that. Well, this chair will make you sit right, whether you want it or not. No matter how you lean, it just snaps you back to the correct posture, reducing muscle tension and promoting a healthy seated position. Crafted in a comfortable saddle shape filled with plush yet robust cushioning, it guarantees an upright stance. The horseshoe-like stable base prevents accidental topples. You can even do a little workout while sitting right in the chair. Thank you. Check out this strap with a ratchet mechanism. It may seem ordinary, but the seller claims that it's an innovative development. Here's what they highlight. It uses Arachnid-Branded straps, each with a working load limit and tensile strength of 136 kilograms and 408 kilograms, respectively. The ratchet mechanism allows for easy manual adjustment in just 3 to 4 strokes. The housings are designed for easy connection when using multiple straps, and the vinyl-coated hook securely snaps into place. This strap measures 3 meters in length and 2.5 centimeters in width, making it suitable for a range of loads, from appliances and furniture to ATVs. The price tag for this product is $28. Beats insomnia again. Designed to alleviate the struggle of falling asleep, the Dome Class Tick features 2 fan speeds and customizable vent adjustments, enabling you to tailor your sleep environment. Whether you seek a natural sleep aid or a calming companion for a fussy infant, this white noise machine will assist you with that. Perfect for the work-from-home era, it also enhances focus and blocks out distractions. Plug in, unwind, and let the white noise machine usher you into a realm of peaceful rest and heightened productivity. Are you into the cosmos? Let's bring some of it to your place. Defying gravity through magnetic levitation, this moon suspends and spins freely in the air. However, it takes some time to install it. It's not as easy as it seems. Crafted with lifelike precision using 3D printing technology, the moon lamp replicates the moon's craters and surface texture. Its 7-color RGB illumination adjusts via touch or remote control, creating dreamy and warm atmospheres for any occasion. This night light might be the solution. It offers 3 light temperatures to suit your needs, but the key feature, of course, is that you can turn it into a shadow projector that creates a projection up to 5 feet. Additionally, with a set of pens, it becomes your personalized travel diary. Mark the countries you've been to and where you plan to go. Meet one of the most customizable lamps of all time, right? You are. This is a set of hexagonal panels you can assemble any way you like. Not enough? Get an additional set, no problem. Once you're done pulling all the parts together, pair this thing with the app on your phone for complete control over color modes, preset color scenes, brightness level, and so on. Or use the included remote for that. Or just pick that music mode when the colors react to your favorite songs. Why would anyone need a self-stirring cup? Because convenience is the engine of progress, that's why. With temperature differential technology, it automatically stirs without batteries, ensuring the perfect mix for coffee, tea, milk, or powdered drinks. Activate it wirelessly or on a charging power bank for a robust stir. Crafted from durable stainless steel, the cup promises longevity and hygiene with an IPX7 rating for easy cleaning. Lightweight, it holds 9 ounces, making it perfect for home, office, or on the go.